Welcome back to Prime Picks USA, where we bring you honest reviews of the best products available on Amazon. Today, we are checking out the top 5 best smart locks that offer better security, convenience, and smart home integration. We will break down key features, performance, and value to help you make the right buying decision. Let us get started. We have included links in the description. Number 1. Ultralock U-Bolt Pro Wi-Fi Smart Lock with Door Sensor, 8-in-1 Keyless Entry Door Lock with Fingerprint ID, App Remote Control, Built-in Wi-Fi Keypad Deadbolt, Auto Unlock, IP65 Waterproof, Easy Install. The Ultralock U-Bolt Pro Wi-Fi Smart Lock is designed to deliver advanced security with maximum convenience for modern homes. It features an 8-in-1 keyless entry system, allowing access through fingerprint identification, keypad code, smartphone app, auto unlock, mechanical key, and remote control through built-in Wi-Fi connectivity. This flexibility makes it ideal for families, rentals, and smart home users. The fingerprint sensor is fast and accurate, unlocking the door in seconds while supporting multiple stored fingerprints. This is especially useful for households with frequent access needs or for granting secure entry to trusted users. The keypad allows custom access codes, including temporary or scheduled codes for guests, service workers, or deliveries. Built-in Wi-Fi eliminates the need for additional hubs, enabling remote access through the mobile app from anywhere. Users can lock or unlock the door, view access logs, and manage users directly from their phone. Auto unlock functionality detects your phone as you approach, unlocking the door hands-free for added convenience. The included door sensor adds another layer of security by monitoring door status and alerting you if the door is left open. The auto lock feature ensures the door locks automatically after a set time, reducing the risk of accidental unlocks. Designed for durability, the lock is IP65 rated for waterproof and dust resistance, making it suitable for outdoor use in various weather conditions. Installation is straightforward and compatible with most standard doors, requiring only basic tools. Overall, the Ultralock U-Bolt Pro Wi-Fi Smart Lock combines strong security, smart automation, and user-friendly features for reliable everyday protection. Number 2. Schlage B499 WBCN 619 Encode Plus Wi-Fi Deadbolt Smart Lock, Keyless Entry Touchscreen Door Lock with Century Trim, Satin Nickel. The Schlage Encode Plus Wi-Fi Smart Deadbolt is built with a focus on security, reliability, and seamless smart home integration. This model features a touchscreen keypad that provides keyless entry while maintaining a clean and modern appearance. With built-in Wi-Fi, the lock connects directly to your home network without the need for additional hubs. Through the mobile app, users can lock or unlock the door remotely, manage access codes, and view activity history in real time. This is ideal for homeowners who want full control while away from home. The touchscreen keypad allows you to create multiple unique access codes for family members, guests, or service providers. Temporary and scheduled codes can be set for added flexibility. The keypad is designed to resist fingerprints and smudges, keeping it looking clean and secure. Schlage is known for its strong hardware, and this lock is no exception. The deadbolt is designed to resist forced entry and includes built-in alarm technology that alerts users to potential tampering or break-in attempts. The Encode Plus model is compatible with popular smart home platforms, allowing voice control and automation when paired with supported devices. The satin nickel finish provides a durable and stylish look that blends well with most doors. Installation is designed to be simple and fits standard door preparations. Overall, the Schlage Encode Plus offers dependable performance, strong security features, and easy remote access for everyday peace of mind. Number 3. Eufy Security Video Smart Lock S330, 3-in-1 Camera Plus Doorbell Plus Fingerprint Keyless Entry Door Lock, Smart Wi-Fi Deadbolt for Front Door, App Remote Control, SD card required, chime included. The Eufy Security Video Smart Lock S330 combines multiple security devices into one powerful solution. This 3-in-1 design integrates a smart lock, fingerprint reader, and built-in video doorbell camera for enhanced front door monitoring. The fingerprint scanner provides fast and secure access, unlocking the door quickly while supporting multiple users. The keypad and smartphone app offer additional entry options, allowing flexible access for family members and guests. The integrated camera provides real-time video monitoring of your front door, allowing you to see who is approaching or unlocking the door. Motion detection alerts notify you instantly through the app when activity is detected. The included chime ensures you never miss a visitor. This smart lock supports Wi-Fi connectivity for remote control and monitoring through the Eufy app. Users can lock or unlock the door, review access history, and view recorded footage. Video recordings are stored locally using an SD card, helping avoid monthly subscription fees. The lock is designed with strong encryption and secure data handling for added protection. Auto lock functionality ensures the door secures itself after a set period, reducing the risk of forgetting to lock up. Built for outdoor use, the lock is weather-resistant and suitable for daily operation. Installation is designed to fit standard doors with minimal effort. The Eufy S330 is a strong choice for users who want smart locking combined with visual security at their front door. Number 4. Yale Security Assure Lock 2 Deadbolt, Black Suede Keyed Smart Entry Door Lock with Wi-Fi connected keypad for code entry and remote access, YRD410WF1BSP. The Yale Assure Lock 2 Smart Deadbolt is designed for homeowners who want secure and stylish keyless entry with remote access. This model features a sleek keypad design that allows users to unlock the door using personalized entry codes. With built-in Wi-Fi connectivity, the lock enables remote control through the Yale app. Users can lock or unlock the door from anywhere, manage access codes, and receive real-time notifications about door activity. This makes it ideal for monitoring home security while away. The keypad supports multiple user codes, including temporary and scheduled access options. This is useful for guests, service providers, or rental properties. The keypad design is responsive and easy to use, even in low-light conditions. Security is a core feature of the Assure Lock 2. The deadbolt is designed for durability and resistance against forced entry. Auto lock functionality ensures the door locks automatically after a selected time interval. The lock integrates with popular smart home ecosystems, allowing voice commands and automation routines when paired with compatible devices. The black suede finish provides a modern appearance that enhances curb appeal. Installation is simple and compatible with most standard doors. Overall, the Yale Assure Lock 2 offers dependable smart security, remote control convenience, and a refined design for modern homes. Number 5. Tiho T001 Keyless Entry Door Lock with Keypad Smart Deadbolt Lock for Front Door with 2 Keys Auto Lock Easy Installation Satin Nickel. The Tiho TE001 Keyless Entry Door Lock is a practical and affordable solution for upgrading front door security. It features a keypad-based entry system that allows users to unlock the door using personalized access codes without relying on traditional keys. The keypad supports multiple user codes, making it suitable for families, guests, or home offices. An auto-lock feature ensures the door locks automatically after a set time, helping prevent accidental unlocks. This smart deadbolt includes 2 physical keys as a backup option, providing peace of mind in case of battery depletion. The lock operates on standard batteries and provides low battery alerts for timely replacement. The satin nickel finish offers a clean and professional appearance that fits most door styles. The lock is designed for durability and everyday use in residential settings. Installation is straightforward and requires only basic tools, making it suitable for DIY installation. The lock fits most standard doors without the need for additional drilling. Overall, the Tiho TE001 delivers reliable keyless security, simple operation, and essential smart features at an accessible price point, making it a solid option for home entry protection. That wraps up our list of the top 5 best smart locks here on Prime Picks USA. If any of these products caught your attention, we have included links in the description where you can check the latest price and details. Make sure to subscribe to Prime Picks USA for more honest product reviews and buying guides. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.